Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kritika Sharma, a CA CMA finalist. A lot of things have changed in the past 2 to 3 years. The last video that I made, I was a CA intermediate student, and now I'm a CA finalist, and not CA finalist. I'm CA CMA finalist. Looking back, I didn't even knew that I would pursue CMA as well and become a CMA finalist as well. It still feels so surreal. But today's video is not about that. Today's video is about how did I appear for my Set B SPM exams, how much did I score, what resources did I use, what lectures did I watched, and what other things that I will recommend you to do before appearing for your Set B exams, that is costing. So the first thing is that how much did I score? I scored 64 marks in my Set B costing exams, and here's are the 2 resources that I will like to recommend you and to do it anyhow, no questions asked, because I will tell you exactly the reasons that you are thinking and you would not do that, but I will tell you the reasons as well कि आपको वो सारी चीज़ें क्यों करनी चाहिए. The first resource is definitely संकल्प कासिया सर की 19 वीडियोज़, दैट इज शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस वाली वीडियोज़, जिसमें उनने डेफिनेटली शॉर्ट टॉपिक्स बताए हैं एंड उससे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एज when I was preparing for my exam, I was thinking that these videos are so old, is this videos even relevant for my exams and ये सब चीज़ें. But when I started learning, they are the very important topics in costing एग्ज़ाम. उससे डायरेक्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आता है. स्टिल रिमेंबर उन्होंने एक केस स्टडी हमें बताई थी एंड वो केस स्टडी एग्जैक्ट आई है हमारे एग्ज़ाम में, एग्जैक्ट सो वो टॉपिक्स आप बिल्कुल छोड़ के मत जाओ. ऐसा मत सोचो कि वो वीडियोस बहुत पुरानी हैं, वो रिलेवेंट नहीं होगी या ये सब चीज़ें. इट इज़ वेरी मच रिलेवेंट फॉर you if you are appearing in any upcoming BCA SPM exams, because they are the most important topics. They are the crux of costing का SPM exams, so do it anyhow. The second resource is that CA with Vikrush की most repeated questions की 2 मैराथन वाली वीडियोस हैं and they are also so important. उसमें उन्होंने प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस कवर किए हैं एंड एक तो क्वेश्चंस तो लिटरली एज इट इज़ आ जाते हैं. आई डोंट थिंक मैं कर पाती अगर मैंने वो वीडियोस पहले नहीं देखी होती, बिकॉज वन मिस्टेक इन MCQs लीड टू अनदर रॉन्ग आंसर इन अनदर MCQ, क्योंकि सारे क्वेश्चन जैसे थोड़े इंटर रिलेटेड होते हैं. तो अगर आपने वो क्वेश्चंस एक बार नहीं देखे होंगे या कुछ नहीं हुए होंगे तो इट इज़ वेरी मच हाई चांसेस कि वो आप गलत करो. एंड एक MCQ का वर्थ है 2 मार्क्स, सो आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन रिस्क दैट. So I will definitely recommend you to do these 2 things before appearing for your Set B exam, and I will link those things in my description box below. And do let me know what else videos you want me to make. I will definitely make it for you. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.